A new state law and ruling from the Florida Department of Education is leaving many students with special needs in limbo. I'm News 6 anchor Lisa Bell. For years, disabled students have received what's called a certificate of completion after finishing their K-12 education. But under this new law, those certificates are going away, and now all students will get the same high school diploma. I spoke with one family who says this decision is raising concerns for thousands of kids and their futures. And then part of your job is to shred the paper here? Mm-hmm. Every Thursday, Wills Van Bergen, who has Down syndrome, spends 4 hours at the Davie Law Group in Maitland, shredding papers and scanning documents. It's a job he landed after finishing high school and a vocational program at the University of North Florida.
So the program that he attended at UNF, he could not have attended if he had had a standard diploma.
Amy Van Bergen is Will's mom. She says most job training programs for people with special needs specifically require a certificate of completion.
The way that the program was set up, it was based on this special diploma track.
But a new state law has eliminated those certificates effective immediately. Now every student will receive the same high school diploma.
Usually when you have a major policy change like this, the State Department of Education likes to host public meetings, give opportunities for feedback from both internal and external stakeholders, and that really didn't happen at all in this process.
Van Bergen says many parents are worried their children will now fall through the cracks.
There probably won't be guidance for at least a year, so what happens to this year's graduating class?
While many vocational programs will also need better guidance from the state to update their admission requirements, so students like Will's can get the training they need. I sent an email to the State Department of Education asking for clarification on Van Bergen's concerns, specifically if the DOE plans to accommodate students in any way who may need a certificate in order to apply to those training programs. They responded in part saying Florida's focus is to equip students with disabilities to leave high school prepared for college, career, and independent living rather than with a certificate that limited their future options. It is important to clarify that Florida has expanded diploma pathways for all students, including students with disabilities. You can read their full statement at clickorlando.com.